it's Miss Edwards.
And Mr. Brinkman.
We are filming right now from the NP3 library. Oftentimes there's kids that come in here before school, after school, at lunch. There's also a lot of high school classes that happen here during the day.
What a coincidence. We're going to talk about habit 7, which is sharpening the saw. And sharpening the saw means taking care of yourself and doing things that you like to do to relax and be stress-free.
One of my favorite things to do is read a book. I'm a huge reader. I love any type of mystery or vampire novel. If you are someone that loves to read a book too, check out Miss Snelling's Action Team because it is super fun.
Good suggestion. Overbooked is awesome. I also like reading, and some other things I like doing are getting outside, which include golf, fishing, shooting the basketball. It's a little tough with COVID because you can't play with other people, but I still like to get out and shoot around and make sure I'm taking care of myself as well.
I like to go on hikes. Sometimes I'll bake something. I also like to cook or just connect with an old friend.
If you're having trouble deciding what you can do to sharpen your saw, just scroll down on our counseling page and check out our self-care action plan. It was a previous post this quarter. That will help guide you and what you can do to refresh and recharge your batteries.
Habit 7 is so important. It might be my favorite habit.
Make sure to join the Sharpen the Saw action team if you're really into habit 7.
All right, pirates. Until next time.
See you later.
Bye.